Hello everyone, myself Poonam Gujar, studying BSc B.Ed first year in Savitribai Phule Pune University. So this video is a review of the novel The Awakening, which was written by the author Kate Chopin. This video is only for educational purpose. So let's get started. The Awakening by Kate Chopin. About the author. Kate Chopin was born on 8 February 1851 and died on August 22, 1904. She was an American author of short stories and novels based in Louisiana. She is considered by scholars to have been a forerunner of American 20th century feminist authors of Southern or Catholic background, such as Zelda Fitzgerald, and is one of the most frequently read and recognized writers of Louisiana Carol heritage. She is best known today for her 1899 novel The Awakening, of maternal French and paternal Irish descent. Chopin was born in St. Louis, Missouri. Introduction of the book. The Awakening tells us the story of Edna Pointler and the changes that occur in her thinking and lifestyle as the result of a summer romance. At the start of the story, Edna is a young mother of two and the life of a successful New Orleans businessman. While the family is vacationing at a seaside resort, Edna becomes acquainted with Robert Lebrun, a younger man who pays special attention to her. Moonlight walks and intimate conversations with Robert spark feelings that Edna has forgotten. When she returns to the city, Edna throws off the trappings of her old life: devotion to family, attention to societal expectation, and adherence to tradition, to explore independence in love, life, and sexual fulfillment. Summary: The Awakening, a novel by Kate Chopin, which was published in 1899, originally titled A Solitary Soul. The novel depicts a young mother's struggle to achieve sexual and personal emancipation in the oppressive environment of the postbellum American South. It was first published When it was first published, it was widely condemned for its portrayal of sexuality and marital infidelity. Today, it is considered a landmark work of early feminist fiction. The Awakening has been described as a case study of 19th century feminism. One of the central themes in the novel is that of self ownership. Also called bodily autonomy, self ownership is a key tenet of 19th century feminism. It is signified a woman's right to have control over her own body and identity. At the end of the novel, Edna returns to the Great Isle and, after stripping down to her swimsuit, she walks into the sea. She begins to swim until she loses her strength and presumably drowns. This scene symbolizes Edna leaving society behind, just as when she swims in chapter 10. She looks back to the shore to see all her companions left back. Although Chopin leaves Edna's intentions behind her suicidal swim ambiguous, we know that Edna's swim can only end in death because swimming out to the horizon is impossible.